Liger is one of the very unique and well-known animals, as we know it is a man-assisted animal, but it is a very rare question people ask: that what do liger eat? Liger has extremely exceptional dietary inclinations when contrasted with other enormous felines. Since ligers are enormously large felines gauging around 900 pounds, they need a ton of food on the regular schedule. It is assessed that a liger requires at any rate 30 pounds of unprocessed meat in one day, according to National Geographic. Then again, a report about a liger named as Hercules demonstrated that ligers take 25 pounds of meat on the regular routine. Remember that 25 pounds are only a normal check, since ligers are fit for eating around 100 pounds of meat in a solitary sitting as well. What do ligers eat in actual? Do ligers eat humans? In a short note, ligers eat meat, and that meat can be of chicken, beef, or mutton. Ligers can be found in the wild, so they just eat what owners feed them. At the point when they are whelps, they drink their mom's milk. Obviously they are carnivores, so when they become mature enough they needn't bother with their moms any longer for lactation. Ligers are proficient of consuming 100 pounds of flesh in a whole day. Do ligers attack humans? Generally, ligers don't attack on humans. It is primarily due to the case that they're reproduced in isolation and get fed and nourished fairly fit, given their tendency as an outlandish hybridized organism. Lions and tigers are both amazing creatures, and a liger, as the hybrid progeny of a female tigress and a male lion, is a lot bigger and more grounded than both of its folks. Hunting a human would expect practically zero exertion on its part. Some more on liger and its eating habits. Food utilization of 30 pounds of meat for every day is exceptionally typical nourishment for the liger. As indicated by Dr. Bhagavan Anil, it is completely equipped for eating in excess of 100 pounds of meat in a solitary sitting. In any case, it will make the liger a corpulent liger. This announcement from Dr. Bhagavan Anil likewise recommends that a reasonable eating regimen is basic for the large felines and that incorporates ligers too. 100 pound will absolutely make the liger gigantic, however, that will likewise uncover the liger being powerless against numerous maladies and well-being chances. Certainly, it will be pitiless to take care of any liger more than what it really requires. Normally, creatures have no clue, and in the event, they are benefited from more food they keep on being taken care of over such an example. The liger is exceptionally fortunate in such manner that he discovered right ace Dr. Bhagavan Anil, who knows precisely how much and when and which food to provide for the liger to make them absolutely look sound, solid, yet still a magnificent animal to watch and astound about. Eating 30 pounds of meat in a solitary day is a great deal with regards to enormous felines and furthermore with regards to carnivores. There will be not many carnivores on the planet that would be equipped for eating that much colossal measure of meat in a solitary sitting. Lions and tigers surely eat half food the liger eat. They eat 10 to 15 pounds of meat. Pythons and anaconda do eat a ton of meat, yet not on the consistent schedule. Consequently, among land vertebrates, ligers may be the greatest meat-consuming mammal on the planet. Even reptiles fall behind inside this classification also. Aside from eating 30 pounds of meat in a solitary sitting, the liger likewise devours about more than 1 gallon of water in a day. Water as a prerequisite is consistently significant and basic for every single living being. However, devouring 1 gallon of water for each day is surely an enormous amount. It ought to likewise be noticed that ligers become extremely quick when contrasted with lions and tigers. Accordingly, such a high development rate additionally implies high metabolic action and obviously water, an exceptionally high amount of water too. How much does a liger weigh? A male liger weight in pounds ranges around 900 to 1,000 pounds, while a female liger weighs around 600 to 800 pounds. Further development in shoulder stature and body length isn't found in ligers more than 6 years of age as in the two lions and tigers. Liger height and weight with regards to the body length. Bhagavan Anil and other authority spectators and animal doctors. Likewise, female ligers may accomplish extraordinary size, weighing roughly 320 kilograms 705 pounds and arriving at 305 meters 10 feet long by and large, and are frequently ripe. A liger likewise has the biggest size among all the large felines. This weight of Hercules the liger is confirmed by Dr. Anil, as a rule, has a body length of around 11 feet in length. Hercules the liger weighs around 922 pounds. The biggest ligers frequently develop to lengths of in excess of 33 meters 108 feet and gauge in excess of 400 kilograms 900 pounds. A liger can undoubtedly weigh around 900 pounds, while lions and tigers weigh around 500 and 600 pounds individually. Size 2x longer weight 900 pounds, most extreme weight 921 pounds, body length 11 to 12 feet, tallness 6 feet. A liger has an enormous load as well as has a greater body structure when contrasted with a lion or a tiger. Among creatures, hyenas are such creatures where females are greater and more grounded than males. Anyway, there are reports of certain people gauging in excess of 1,000 kilograms 1 metric ton around 2,200 pounds. Male ligers additionally have similar degrees of testosterone on normal as a grown-up male lion yet are a zoospermic as per Haldane's rule. Female ligers are littler than male ligers in weight and stature. This weight additionally formally makes Hercules the liger the greatest liger so far in the current time. Which is the biggest liger in the world? The liger named Hercules is the biggest one, having the body measurement of 10 feet long and body mass of around 418 kilograms, also titled as the biggest cat of the world. Conclusion: the liger is a blended progeny of a male lion and a female tiger. The liger has guardians in a similar class yet of various species. The liger is particular from the comparable mixture called the tigon and is the biggest of all known surviving felines. They appreciate swimming, which is a trait of tigers, and are entirely agreeable like lions. Outstandingly, ligers ordinarily become bigger than either parent species, in contrast to tigons. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.